Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to crop in Adobe Acrobat. So first, of course, head over and launch your Adobe Acrobat software or app. Then next is open the PDF or the file that you would like to crop. Then next is click on Edit on the toolbar. And here on the Modify Page section, you can see the crop page setting or tool. Click on it. Now, just a reminder that this feature is only available for the Adobe Acrobat Pro subscription. So, to enjoy these features, make sure that you get Adobe Acrobat Pro. But still, you can still enjoy 7 days free trial with these features. But of course, if you want this for long run, you may want to commit with Adobe Acrobat Pro. And now to crop the page, all you have to do is drag on the area that you would like to crop on the file, then double click it, and this window will then pop up. From here, we can just stick with the default settings and measurements and press the OK button. And just by that, the area has now been cropped. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!